Listen, something ridiculous happening right now with the Tesco nationally, and most likely you're gonna make ridiculous money as a profits from this situation. Just listen up. Basically, Tesco giving all toy shelves to entertainer. So entertainer coming into the market heavily, non-stopping. It was starting with the Asda itself, and right now we got at Tesco, they taking Tesco over. All of this situation is not good, really not good for us who's selling on Amazon FBA as resellers, because Tesco is the main, let's say, one of the main suppliers, let's say, for retail arbitrage business model, which one you're selling on Amazon FBA, this inventory. And we got minimum, maybe 1, 2, 3 per year massive liquidations at Tesco for related as a toy liquidations. It can be Legos, it can be, I don't know, some random stuff like this one, different brands, but there is Legos liquidations happening each year, and most likely we're gonna lose that opportunity right now. And I'm gonna show you exactly what's happening at the Tesco with this situation, because they preparing shelves like this, a little bit less than mine shelves, but like this, similar. They preparing liquidations. Basically, Tesco already started the sale because they need to clean it shelves for entertainer to come in with own inventory. And stick around, because I'm gonna explain you how to win from actual entertainer sales activities, because it's not only as a Tesco or Asda dropping sales, entertainer doing that too, and you can prepare for the future ones, upcoming sales too. So there is a win-win situation, no need to panic. There is multiple opportunities always in this business model. And right now, no wasting time, let's go straight into the shops. Gonna check next to me one Tesco, which one I'm not coming so often, but I want to check that because of this entertainer situation happening right now in multiple stores, in multiple locations in all UK, and checking what's happening in this one. Basically preparations for my pickups, what I'm gonna pick up. This one, some yellow stickers on it. I don't see big entertainer signs saying about that. Okay, that's interesting. Like you see, first times is not always successful, so that's not an issue, happens all the time, let's say. And moving to another one, which one I know exactly what's happening inside, because I was dropping to our Discord community private group saying Tesco dropping some ridiculous sales on all shelves, basically, or toy liquidation, basically everything. And I was shocked at seeing this, so basically I shared it on my Discord private group. If you want to join us, you're gonna get most earliest shoutouts in all United Kingdom related to retail arbitrage and online arbitrage activities. Highly recommending. And we straight away moving to this shop in this video, and check this out what I'm gonna show you. And this one should be much interesting looking situation, because I was dropping Discord these notifications from actual this store. I'm gonna show you what's happening inside actually. Check this out. What we got, these shelves are a little bit different. So these are with the white labels, these price stickers, clearance stickers, reduce it as clear, means it's gonna go on sale multiple times. So really interesting, because everything is on these stickers. And check this out itself, entertainer sign just popping out, hugely big sign, and everything basically is on these reductions. Ridiculous. I never seen in my life so much clearance stickers just sitting on the shelves. Basically everything is. So I'm gonna walk around because I need to collect data basically for my Discord members. They need to be updated with this whole situation, and just going around checking the prices, what's happening. Some of them gonna be scanned with actual Tesco scanner, because we need to make sure everything is checked properly. Let's say preparations. I'm calling this mental pics homework, which one I'm teaching our Discord members in private calls, because you need to do that before sale itself happening, a bigger one, let's say. This one item I know 750 is really nice prices even now, but after a quick check, it looks like about 18-20% price drop. It's not some mega huge. Even Legos is on reduction too. Very interesting situation with this liquidation. Looks like everything, basically all toys going out from this Tesco, and they're dropping everything basically. Check this out. It's all right. Yeah, it's gonna be about 20% off on everything right now. So basically it started about a couple of days ago, the sale in this specific store. In your location should be something similar. If it's starting freshly, leave it for 1 week about, you know, this price activity for manager to decide to go deeper, let's say, on this clearance price reductions, and they definitely gonna drop because it's too much inventory sitting on actual shelves. So they're gonna do that reductions. These items are really well selling on Amazon, Pokemon stuff, but everything is 20% about just, it's not actual 20 but about 18, maybe 25, something like that, these price ranges. And check this out, crazy, ridiculous, everything basically is on these stickers. So imagine how much they got at the back. At the back is sitting plenty of boxes of these, let's say, items in packages, multiple packages. So it's gonna be each week something new in price activities, and it's looking really promising. So basically just preparing, checking inventory, which one's selling well and gonna be good. As you see, is only about 20% sale event. It's not a lot, it's just the first stage of this liquidation. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 sale events on the same inventory. So imagine it could be easily going for 90% off of this situation if it's not sold out. The shelves looks like loaded. Plus they got at the back a little bit too, I guess, this inventory. So they're gonna drop the prices. Don't rush to buy. This one is about 20% off. That's not at all nothing. This is nothing related to our activities. We're gonna wait another one. It should be about 30, 40 maybe % off. At that situation, a little bit interesting looks, and lots of what to choose variations, different variations. We got Lego, Hasbro, Star Wars, Pokemons. We got lots of different stuff. Which one is on sale? This happening, but you could wait third drop. Let's say maybe 70% off it's gonna be. So imagine you can play around. Don't rush with retail arbitrage. What I'm teaching our private members, don't ever rush to pick it up when it's happening national liquidations or some specific huge sales. Most of the time is dropped further down and further down till it's selling for pennies, let's say. It happens like this. So we need to build up experience to catch this position of thinking, you know, rushing all the newbies and they stuck on the listings and crying all over internet about saying there is no profits left because everyone is jumping with this ridiculous small amount of the profitability. They imagining like they're gonna become rich about this small liquidation sale event. Like, it's not gonna happen like this. When professionals jumping in with 3 price drops, 4 price drops, or even 5 times price drops and picking up for pennies basically and jumping on these listings, and they're still making ridiculous profits from this situation. And newbies, which one is on a higher position, so the price is sitting, they're getting nothing. They just complaining online after this whole situation. So be smart, listen what I'm talking to you. I got multiple years of experience. Don't do these mistakes, don't do that. About actual entertainer situation, this is gonna be new era of a specific retailer where we can source. I was sourcing from entertainer before that multiple times. It's not difficult to source when they're doing some sale. There is some good deals happening at entertainer itself shops, but now they're going into this big marketplace. So basically they already got too many items sitting on the shelves in different locations already, which one existing. They got Asda, they got now Tesco, most biggest retailers they got. So imagine there's so much inventory sitting already on the shelves, and they like to hold prices very high. So they're gonna do massive clearances, and they did last year. I noticed it, did 90% off on specific items. Obviously it's not Lego, it wasn't Lego, but some not so popular brands, I don't know, maybe like this one, some Hasbro related sub branding, some items, it could be going well on clearances. Most likely it's gonna happen. It just needs some time adjustments when they're gonna feel people not buying this too high pricing options. They're gonna do something with this inventory to liquidate that, because this is business model like this. It is buying at that moment and just reselling and taking new inventory, and this old inventory must go. So imagine what's happening with the sales events when it's too much inventory just sitting at the back on the shelves. You know, they must do liquidations. Listen up, we're running private group related to fresh online arbitrage and retail arbitrage leads for your Amazon FBA. Listen, if you want to catch best deals available in United Kingdom related to, I don't know, Lego, check this out. Like buying for £6, for £7, you know what is this? Who's Lego experts, you know, £6 for that stuff is really cheap, because you can get ridiculous profits from that purchasing price. Batman's again, £18. I was dropping previously to my members, and it's selling for £70. So imagine if you want to get something similar, let's say for your Amazon FBA activities, we got you with our private Discord group. We got online arbitrage leads, we got retail arbitrage leads, best on the market. You're gonna love it. Join us. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to check my other videos on this site. Till next time.